Wow, it's a beautiful day. It's beginning of February, and to have a day like this, almost 60 degrees, is a real blessing, and we're enjoying it. But I have to say, it's disappointing in this particular park and everywhere right now. There's so much salt, and even worse than salt, the Icemelt, and it burns the dog's feet. Now this particular park is just always filled with dogs. People walk their dogs here. You think that someone would use their brains and realize they cannot put a shit ton of salt down, an Icemelt. I do use this wax, Mushroom Secret, but I forgot to use it. I feel bad that I forgot to use it. No, it'll last a couple of days, I believe, so. But I haven't put it on them for like a week. That's too bad. I have to do that. And like Jenna Marbles, I love her. She says, have you brushed your dog's teeth today? Neither have I. Sit with that guilt a while. That's awesome. So have you waxed your dog's feet today? Neither have I. Sit with that guilt for a while.